What's up guys, this is Nazar Al-Wattar with you from A to Z for Learning channel with the new lesson of C# course. In this lesson we will take a new step forward to be an expert in the C#, because the first step so as to be an expert in the programming language C# is to use the GitHub cloud. So today we will teach you how to use the GitHub cloud, and we will show you how to create a GitHub account. All what you need, just you must have a Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo Mail or any other email. So all what you need, just an email, a personal email. And don't worry, if you have installed the Visual Studio before or already, so we will provide a link for you so as to install that. As you can see here in the video, I already have added that when I installed the Visual Studio. So as you can see here, I installed GitHub extension in this video of the Visual Studio install. So I already installed the extension for GitHub for Windows and for the Visual Studio, as you can see here. So don't worry if you have installed the Visual Studio before and you already have the Visual Studio, because I will provide a link for you under this video so as to add this extension. So this is the page that I will provide the link of it so as to add the GitHub extension for Visual Studio. All what you have to do, just download this extension and then install it so as to follow the next lessons with us, because we will use the GitHub after each class or after each lesson of our lessons about the C# programming language. Now let us go to the GitHub so as to start the steps to create a new account of the GitHub and start uploading our code to that account. So all what you have to write in the Google, just write the GitHub in the Google, then go to the join GitHub, and then you have to fill all these information. I am going to use the Gmail of my channel, and I will give the username of this channel, A to Z for Learning channel. And you will give your own username, and I will use my Gmail for the channel so as to create this new account of GitHub. And then you have to put the password for that account, then click on the create an account. In this moment you will receive an email, so you have to go to your email and click on that email so as to verify your email and activate your account, as I am doing now. As you can see here, I have received this email to verify my account. Click on that email and click on the link verify the email address, and now we have done with creating a GitHub account. So now we need to start first project so as to create a new repository. As you can see here, I will create a new repository so as to use it to upload the code for our lessons in this programming language course. So I will name it as C# course, and I will put a description, and this description should describe your repository. So you cannot put a description that you will upload a C# code and then use this repository so as to save a C++ code or Python code, because as you are a programmer or a developer, you have to be an organized person. So I will put the description for this repository so as to describe what I am going to upload to this repository, and the audience or the people that they are going to use this repository will know what the kind of this repository. So I will say this is a repository for C# course from A to Z for Learning channel. Now we have done, and click on the create repository without checking creating a readme file. We don't need that file. Just click on the create repository so as the GitHub create that repository for you. And as you can see here, we got this, and we need to copy this link so as to use it after a while. So click copy, and then we have to go to Visual Studio to our first program. So first step, we need to connect to our GitHub account through Team Explorer. Be aware, don't click on the connect in the top, because this is for the Visual Studio Teamwork Cloud, and here we are dealing with the GitHub Cloud, not Visual Studio Cloud. So be careful, and you have to be specific when you click on the connect. You have to click on the connect for the GitHub. Then we need to use our username that we already has given, and then use the password that we have specified for our GitHub account so as to connect this account with the Visual Studio. Click on login. Now we have connected our Visual Studio, our ID, with our GitHub account, and now it's ready so as to upload. We go to the file to add to source control, then it will create a GitHub copy, a local GitHub copy. As you can see here, Visual Studio has created a GitHub copy. Now we need to upload this copy to the cloud. So we go to the home, and then to synchronize, and then to publish to remote repository, and here we will use the URL or the link that we already copy, paste, and click on the publish so as to publish our code to our repository. Then we go back to synchronize and click on synchronize again so as to synchronize our changes in the Visual Studio locally with the remote repository. And now we, as you can see here, successfully synchronized incoming and outgoing commits. Now our code has committed to the GitHub cloud or to the GitHub account. All what we need, go back to our account and refresh the page, and you will see this is the first program that we already done. As you can see here, this is the first program and this is the commit. Now we have done with this part. Now we need to know how about if we made any changes on our code and we want to synchronize these changes with the remote cloud. As you can see here, I'm going to write one comment inside my code and then click on the save so as to save these changes. After that, we go to the synchronize again and synchronize these changes with the remote cloud, and then go to the home and to the changes so as to commit these changes and push them to the cloud. So now I will write something just to remind me about these changes when I return them, as add a comment. This is the change that I have made. Now click on the synchronize and then click on the push. As you can see here, successfully pushed in the origin master. So we have pushed the changes to the remote. Click on the refresh so as to see the changes. As you can see here, the number of commits has been changed. If we clicked on the comment, we will see the comment that we have added here. As you can see here, add a comment. This is the commit that I have added. And if we went to the program, to the first program that end with the C# extension on the program.cs, you will see this is the statement or the comment that we have added to our code. So now guys, we have done with creating an account on the GitHub cloud, and we have done with the saving the changes and connect our Visual Studio. Just click on this add so as to add the extension if you don't have a GitHub, and you will follow this lesson with us. So this is the first step so as to be an expert in the programming language C#. So please guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like this video and click on the subscribe, and I'm waiting for your comments. If you have any questions or if you have any concern, just let me know and I will answer you. This is Nazar Al-Wattar with you from A to Z for Learning channel. See you.